The C-47 Skytrain crashes during takeoff due to heavy crosswinds.
It's history right there, boys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Turn. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh.
The CL-415 pulls up at the last second to avoid a raid while scooping up water. This Boeing 737-400 blasts now into the cameraman while taxiing. This Avro Falcon performs a low pass. This trike passes dangerously close to a pyramid. This small plane performs an emergency landing without its nose gear.
Probably turn the prop off now.
This seaplane comes in too fast and crashes during landing. And this Cessna performs an extremely low flyby over a beach. Are you thinking of selling a plane or helicopter? You can list it for free on globalplaymarket.com. Just head to globalplaymarket.com, create a free account and start listing today.